Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your WeChat account using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to download the WeChat app from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Then on your screen you can see few options like chat, contact, discover and me. Tap on me, then select settings. Once you go into settings, go to account security and select WeChat Security Center. Once you select WeChat Security Center, it's gonna take you to Security Center's homepage. It might take a few seconds, then you have to scroll down and tap on Safety Tools. Once you tap on Safety Tools, you have to go down, scroll down and tap on Account Cancellation. Once you tap on Account Cancellation, you have to scroll down and tap on I have read and accept the important notice. Make sure you read the important notice and request cancellation. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your WeChat account using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.